You asked for it, we did it. The Flectr 360 color line brings you new vibrantly colored reflectors, adding style and safety to your bike. They give you the same all-around visibility as our award-winning Flectr 360 Omni with its maximum reflective power. Flectr 360 protects you in the dark. From wherever car headlights are approaching, its rotating light patterns attract special attention and prevent car drivers from overlooking you. Unlike conventional reflectors, the Featherlight Flectr 360 leaves the performance of your wheels completely untouched, without adding any air drag or weight. They're nearly indestructible and easily adapt to almost every rim size. Flectr 360, always by your side to protect you and your style.
Do you love riding bikes? Perfect!
Because this
Is the world's best cycling jacket. Stay dry even when it rains hard. Be seen day and night. It's a reversible jacket, so you look awesome on and off your bicycle.
My name is Roland. This was our first prototype, and this was our launch party. How did everything start? I couldn't find a great jacket to ride my bike. So I decided to make my own.
Countless hours were spent designing, testing, until we are happy. From Colombia, we ship to the world thanks to Kickstarter. Your support made MOVA an idea worth spreading. We received hundreds of positive reviews and went sold out immediately. At MOVA, we believe riding bicycle makes you happy. You help young independent entrepreneurs who create new jobs here in South America. We exist thanks to you, the Kickstarter backers. Why are we doing this? Because you are an everyday hero. You deserve the best jacket there is. We are on a mission to spread happiness by changing the way we move.
Our factory is right next door.
Because how we manufacture matters. It's helpful when you need quality to be perfect.
So, what makes it the world's best cycling jacket?
Carry it everywhere, whether it's on your belt, in your bag, or on your bike. Ride every day, all year long, under any conditions. It's designed for outdoors adventures, from city streets to mountain trails. Stay fresh by opening the under-the-arm zippers.
Here in Colombia, we call them the anti-chuchas.
We added features that will keep your devices dry, safe, and quick to access. Even the magnet lights have their own spot. Carry your essentials with the large back pocket. The hood fits perfectly to your helmet. It's easy to stay organized while on the go. We are fired up to start, so we need your help.
Kickstarter is a new way to bring ideas to life. Today, your support also allows you to save money by getting the best price possible.
You have the power. You are the hero. So please, ride in peace.
the makers of Nanobag comes Nanobag 2.0 and NanoPack. Each year, an estimated 500 billion to 1 trillion plastic bags are consumed worldwide. Our mission is to reduce plastic waste by making the ultimate reusable bags. With Nanobag 2.0, we've upgraded the comfort, design, size, pouch, and stitching. It's made with ultra-high performance, reinforced ripstop fabric. The super soft fabric easily folds on itself so it'll comfortably fit in your pocket or in the pouch, which we've integrated into the bag this time. The handles now go along the length of the bag, which increases comfort. This way the weight is distributed evenly, whether you carry it on your shoulder or in your hand. We've also reinforced the handles with an extra layer of fabric for extra comfort. Nanobag 2.0 holds around 18 liters, which is the same volume as the last Nanobag XL, but we've made the bottom wider to utilize the space better. It weighs only 22 grams, and the fabric measures only 0.002 inches thick. That's half the width of a human hair. We've reinforced the stitching this time around, and the bag is sewn with a heavy-duty nylon thread so strong that you can load it with 55 pounds. The fabric has a water-resistant coating for extra protection, and it can still fit into the watch pocket of your jeans. Based on the feedback from the community, we've also decided to create the NanoPack, a drawstring backpack from the same unique material. To maximize comfort, we've created straps from our fabric that distribute the weight over a wide surface. The NanoPack weighs 23 grams, fits 14 liters, and comes with a pouch. Like last time, we'll plant trees with Worldview International to offset any carbon emitted from the production of the bag. Back us today and help us make the Nanobag 2.0 and the NanoPack a reality.